Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks how to floating dialog box or toolbar. So if you type properties, press enter, it will be show the properties dialog box, and if you move to the right here, it will be set in the right side bar. The next you can move again to the left, it will be move into the left bar. So if you want to keep floating this dialog box, you can click hold and then you can press control buttons. Now you can move to the right here. It will be automatically floating in your drawing area. I will move again to the left like this. Another example, I will add new toolbar. You can type minus toolbar, press enter, and I will show for the draw toolbar. Press enter again and click show. Now if you move to the top like this, it will be set into the pens like this. And if you want to keep floating this toolbar, you can click hold and then press control buttons to keep floating the toolbar. Okay, we'll move again to the right here to keep the floating the toolbar. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 16. How to floating dialog box or toolbar. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.